Hey everyone. So I did a post on Instagram today, but by the time you're watching this, maybe it's like a week from now or a year from now or a decade from now, maybe I'll be bald. And the post was basically saying that I had the tip of the day was to set your sell order on Thinkorswim with the amount of shares that you want to sell. And the way Thinkorswim works is as the stock moves, the sell price also follows with it. So you don't have to sit there and enter in, sell it at $2 or sell it at $95.08 or whatever. It follows the stock as it moves higher. So I said, basically the tip was get everything ready because stocks go up so quickly sometimes that you don't want to have to sit there and scramble and go, oh, I'm ready to sell at this price. It's $2. That was my target price. Okay, sell. How many shares did I? 500. What price? Oh, $2. Oh, it's $1.98 now. What do I do? You know, by the time you've made up your mind and done all the work. So the tip was get everything all set up, ready to go. So the minute your stock hits that price, all you have to do is hit sell. And immediately, someone who follows my Instagram, I know, Mom, I keep touching my glasses. I'm sorry. I'll go to Warby Parker and I'll get them to adjust it. Immediately, someone who follows my page wrote me and said, if you have a price in mind at $2 a share, why don't you just set the order and set the price and make a sell order at $2 a share, and then get up and go make a cup of coffee or go do your laundry or go to the gym or do something. Just set the price and leave. And I said, because I have the luxury of trading. I have the luxury of sitting at my computer all day trading. And the reason I don't do that, the reason I do set orders is when I am going somewhere. If I have to say, go to a doctor's appointment or meet my cousin for lunch somewhere or, run an errand or go to the gym and I know I want my stock to sell at a certain price and I might not be at my screen, then I will do that. But if I have the luxury of sitting at my computer, I don't need to do that, and I don't actually want to because I want to monitor the stock and I want to see where it's going to go over the course of the day, right? Stocks sometimes skyrocket. I might say I bought the stock at 180. If it gets to 2, sell it. And it gets up to 220 or 215 or something like that. Well, if I'm actually able to sit on my computer, I can monitor the charts. I can monitor the sales coming in and out. I can monitor the volume and I can make a better decision and go, I'm going to wait, right? Make more money that way. Conversely, if I can see that the stock isn't going where I wanted it to go, and I can say, well, I bought it at 180, it's 195 right now, I'll take it. And so if you have that luxury, always take that. Always watch it in real time. If you don't have that luxury, if you're sitting at a desk, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, if you're not at your computer, if you're not able to be a trader, I always recommend to actually place your sell orders a little lower than your target, right? So if you've monitored the stock for a couple days and you go, every time it has high volume, it goes up about 20 cents. I'm buying at 180. I know it's going to generally go up about 20 cents. It might hit $2 today, but I don't have the luxury of sitting at my desk. Boy, wouldn't you be angry if you set a sell order at $2 a share, went about your day, worked your regular job, came home and saw that stock hit 198? It was 2 cents away. It hit 198. It was so close. And then it backed off. Wouldn't you be sick to your stomach? So I always say, actually aim a little lower than your target price, right? Just a little, just a couple cents, because stocks don't always get, it's not so cut and dry. Don't be so literal about it where I will buy it at 180. I will sell it at 2. That's not how this works. Stocks up and down, up and down, up and down all day. Get it at 180. Be happy that you put in an order 195, put in an order in that range so you can get kind of close, if it gets kind of close, but it doesn't get exactly to $2. Conversely, if the stock is a stock that has huge days with really big ranges and you buy it at 180 and your goal is 2, list it for 205, list it for 210 if you expect it to have crazy volume for some sort of reason. Maybe earnings are coming out, maybe a competitor's earnings, maybe a competitor got an upgrade, maybe the markets are improving overall, maybe it's a really crazy day. It's all up to you. I would personally rather take that smaller profit and get a profit than aim a little too high and not get it. So that's the follow-up to the tip of the day, which I think I covered in this whole video. If you liked and learned something from this video, please like it down below. Please subscribe. I think it's going to be over there somewhere. Maybe it's over there somewhere. And have a good day.